What's good, YouTube? Your boy Bossco back again with yet another sneaker video. Hopefully you're having a great day wherever you are in the universe. Back again, back in the flow of it. Great to have things change for the better for everybody, hopefully. If you enjoyed this video, smash the like button, of course. Share the video so more people can see what's going on. And if you haven't already done so, and subscribe, man. Don't be a lame and join the Mitchell gang, bro. What are you doing? Subscribe, hit the notification bell to be updated every time I drop a video. I go live, which I do pretty often, and I really enjoy interacting with you guys through the live streams, bro. One more thing. We also have merch going on. Go ahead and scroll down, links in the description. You go ahead and check it out. Give me all the feedback. I'd love to hear from you. If you have an opportunity, go ahead and cop it. But of course, man, the video, the title, the thumbnail, what you see in front of you, we talking about Kyrie 6 and lace swapping options, bro. Let me know what you guys think. Now, my Kyrie 6 collection, actually two of them won't be standing with me, but out of the Kyries in front of me, let me know which ones you guys think. If you guys own any one of them, maybe these lace swapping options can kind of help you or maybe steer you in the right direction. I don't know, but out of these, I want to know your thoughts and opinions of people watching. Which one do you guys like most? Which lace option do you guys like the most? Of course, there's all of them that are heat. One of them, of course, does not have a lace swapping option. I don't really see an option for that. And of course, you can tell that's the Kyrie 6 trophy. Very, very dope shoe. The silhouette, of course, for the Kyrie 6 is crazy, but the colorway for this is dope. Only Kyrie 6 so far that has been made with patent leather. As you can see on the back panel, paying homage to Jordan and his trophy, and Kyrie and his trophy. A lot of history, a lot of storytelling in this shoe, as they are all Kyrie. So this one right here is kind of exempt. I just wanted to get it in the video because it is one of the best, if not the best, Kyrie 6 made so far. But that's my opinion. Let me know what you guys think. It's a very hard toss-up between this and Khepri, but we're gonna get to that and leave that for another time in a topic, bro. Maybe even in a live stream. So come on out there and check that out. But the Kyrie 6 Khepri needs no lace swapping options. I don't even know what you could do to try to enhance this shoe. It's kind of almost as perfect as it is. So I'm just gonna leave that there. I'm not sure if that's showing on camera or not, but we're just gonna leave that there for the meantime. But now we're gonna go ahead and get to the rest of the shoes. I'm just gonna go no particular order, and we're just gonna discuss about the lace swapping options and tell me how you. I'll tell you what I like about them, and then you can give me your feedback in the comment section, because you're not here right now to tell me what's up. You feel me? Right now, I'll first go off with the Kyrie 6 New York, which was part of the Kyrie 6 preheat pack. One among 11 other colorways or 10 other colorways that came out. Fire. Was fortunate enough to find these at the Grove Nike out here in LA. So yeah, the New York pair was in LA. That was super dope. Very dope. These came out with a light blue lace, kind of like what you see on the midsole outsole here, but I went and switched it up. There's two ways you can go with this. I did the Volt Green, which is pretty dope and sick. I put a Volt Green lace to match the Volt Green on a Nike swoosh and the little Volt Green accents. Or you can put the red. I kind of like the red a little bit more, but that's just my personal opinion. If you want to go ahead and check out that review of the Kyrie 6 New York, go ahead and check that out. I have the lace swapping option with the Volt Green and the red laces in that video. But in this video, we're just going with the red because I think that's dope. I think I like that option a tad bit more than the Volt Green, even though that Volt Green option is ridiculous, bro. But from a 1 to 10 scale, what do you guys rate the lace swapping option of the red? I think this is a 10 out of 10 with the red. The shoe is already fired itself. The red laces just add a different addition to it, makes it pop a little bit more than the original laces. That's the whole purpose of a lace swap, to add a little bit more to the shoe, or maybe give you a whole different shoe all to begin with. So 10 out of 10 for me. Let me know what you guys think about the Kyrie 6 New York with the red lacing option. If this is something you would adopt into your collection or not, let me know, of course. Followed by that, we're gonna go ahead and slide on to another shoe, no particular order. Actually, this one right here, it's kind of almost remind me of like a Scarface thing with the black and the white. This is the Oreo, the Kyrie 6 Oreo. Came with originally white laces, as you can see, majority white upper. I added the black laces to make the shoe pop more. I was curious to see how that would actually look, and I did this in a recent video, as you guys maybe have seen before. And this black lacing is fire, bro. We're gonna get some up close and personal images and videos of these shoes so you guys can see what it looks like, but I think it's ridiculous. I love the black lacing with this, and this is something I definitely would keep. So if you own the Oreos, maybe consider yourself doing that and seeing if you like it. Of course, give me your thoughts and opinions in the comment section below. And then the counterpart, I'm gonna go ahead and do this in order. The counterpart to that, the opposite shoe, which is the Kyrie 6 Jet Black. As you can see, it's the actual opposite. The all black upper here, all white upper here, black outsole, white outsole, white Nike swoosh, black Nike swoosh, complete opposites of each other. Even down to the straps, where the Oreo has a white strap with black dots and the Jet Black has black strap with white dots. I just flipped the laces on them too. I added white laces to the Jet Blacks. They came with black laces, makes the shoe pop a little bit more. This became an everyday shoe for me, so it is a little bit more dirtier than normal, so hopefully you can excuse that. But this with white laces is definitely fire, adds a whole nother element, just like it does with the Oreo. Out of these two alone, we're gonna vote on that. What do you guys like this option better? The white laces in the Jet Black or the black laces in the Oreo? Just in general, and then of course the whole video, which your favorite lace swapping option, bro. But you cannot go wrong with either one of those. I really like how the white laces pop on these Jet Blacks, as well as the black laces on the Oreos, man. I couldn't really decide on that. Somebody made option, or describe something in the stream, where these like the LeBron 17 or LeBron 16 equalities, where one shoe was black, one shoe was white. I think that would be dope. What do you guys think about that option? Let me go ahead and check that. Some Kyries have been doing some stuff where one is made Vietnam. Yep, the Vietnam Kyries. Let me know if you guys have Kyries, multiple Kyries in your collection. Some have been made in Vietnam, some have been made in China. This is just strictly off the quality of the shoe. If you have either one, give me a vote on which shoe you feel is more comfortable around the toe box area and the back panel. I think there's a difference, but I'm gonna let this question circulate around for a little bit, get some feedback from you guys in the comment section, and then we'll talk about it during the live stream. But there definitely is a difference, you dig? Moving on to another shoe, which is some fire. We're gonna talk about the Kyrie 6 LA, which came out in the Kyrie 6 pre-heat pack, one of 11, the New York, as you see here, followed by a whole bunch of other ones. This one actually came with cream laces, the same as the upper, but it also came with a second pair of lace, which is the sky blue, which kind of matches some of the outsole. Actually, this blue kind of doesn't really match. It's like different, if you can see it even on the camera. It might match more of the background on this back panel here, but the blue that's on the sock liner in the back, that's sky blue. This is more like a teal, which is still cool all in all. I added the lace swap to it just to see what it looks like. The vibe is pretty dope. I actually went with this option over the cream laces. I just like the way how the contrast is. I'm feeling that. Let me know what you guys think about these LAs, and if this ranks pretty high with all the among all the rest of the lace swapping options. Out of these ones in front of me, this is kind of my least favorite lace swapping option, because I really think it hit hard on every other shoe. Well, maybe with the exception of this one. This is one of my favorite Kyries, if not my favorite. It's between these two right here. Let me know that in the comment section. You guys going with the trophies or the Capris, bruh? But these Capris, they came with, I believe, pink laces too. I'm drawing a blank on the original color. I think the laces were pink like the shoe is, and it came with a lace swapping option also, and I added that there. Pretty dope, not bad. I'm a fan of it. I think it's cool. Let me know if you guys like the original colorway or this one. Of course, that's the feedback. I need to know what you guys are thinking about the lace swapping options. I can't talk, bro. I'm just excited trying to get this energy out to you guys and talk about something I'm really intrigued about, which is these Kyries and the lace swapping. So what do you guys think about that? How you guys like the lace swapping? Would you guys kept it pink, or do you like the option that they gave us? You know what I mean? It kind of matches more the outsole. When these are brand new, it definitely hits a little bit different, but these have definitely been worn a few times, so this doesn't hit the same way, but it is pretty dope. Let me know your thoughts. And last but not least, this right here is something that I think is very unique, and it adds a whole nother element to this shoe. I think, as is with the purple laces, the shoe is a little bit dull. It is dope in its own right, but I think it makes it kind of dull when the laces match everything else going on the shoe after the history we have with Kyrie's, bro. So I took the liberty to myself and added red laces to match that back panel. And let me know what you guys think these are hitting like on camera, bro. Once we get these outside, try these on feet for the review for these. These are size 12, so I'm gonna try to see what's up with them, but I want to see what they look like on feet with these red laces, because off the rip with the trim, the lace trim that's red on the upper, and then the back panel, and now the little bit on the you have it on the tongue, and now the laces, it adds a whole nother different element to the shoe, bro. Do I have the other one next to me, close to me? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Now, you can be the judge, and of course, feedback in the comment section. Which lacing option do you think is better? The red laces that I added, or these purple laces? As I think about it, there's some blue here. Maybe blue laces might look dope, but I really think that red lace is doing them justice. But of course, that's my thoughts. I want to know yours. I want to know yours, of course, in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, man, you gotta smash the like button, bro. Share the video, let people know what's going on over here on the channel. We're trying to grow and keep going, keep that energy going, keep that flow going, bro. Kyrie 6 has been doing their thing all year long, and I'm sure there's more to come. We're gonna do more videos like this as much as I can, bro. Now that things are open back up, it's go time. We're going harder than ever, and I need your support more than ever. So if you like this video, if you enjoyed this video, you gotta hit that like button. Sharing is caring. Sharing on other social media networks or telling a friend about the channel really helps me out. All of that is free, man. Subscribing is most important. Don't be a lame. Join the Mitchell gang. Subscribe. Notification bells on, and it lets you know when I post something like a video, a community post, or even live streams, which I do a lot of, bro. It's been great. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a great day wherever you are. Let's go ahead and grab two before we get out of here. Deuces.